Now let us start with the quadratic equation. Here we call highest degree of a polynomial should be 2. Then it is called quadratic polynomial. Standard form of quadratic equation or polynomial ax square plus by plus c equal to 0. It's an equation, that's why equal to 0 is shown. It shows statement of equality in which the highest degree of the variable x is 2. Variable can be anything, it can be x, y, z, any variable. So highest degree should be 2. Here a, b and c can be any real number and a should not be equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then it will become a linear equation. That's why we can say a should not be 0. So I can say 0x square plus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. So if it is 0, so then 3x minus 5 will be a linear equation or linear polynomial. X square, x are variables of x and can be y, z, etc. Any value I can keep in place of variable. Now let us understand it with a simple example. Check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. See, definition of quadratic equation says it should be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So let us see an example and understand 2x square plus 5x minus 4 equal to 0. So equality sign is there. Highest degree of polynomial is 2. So I can say it is a quadratic polynomial. Now let us take another example. Minus 4x plus 5x square equal to minus 3. Now comparing it with standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, I can say it is not a quadratic equation. But if I arrange it, it is a quadratic equation. See, if I take minus 3 on the left hand side, so it will be right hand side will be 0 and highest polynomial degree will be 2. So it is a quadratic equation. Now next one is x square minus 3 equal to 0. So yes, it is a quadratic equation as power is 2 and equality sign is there. Now let us take another equation 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Here equal to sign is there and right hand side it is 0. But if I see I don't have square variable, so it is not a quadratic equation. Now let us discuss how to solve a quadratic equation. Solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Let us do it with an example. Suppose I am given ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the standard equation form of quadratic equation. Now I am taking an example here. First, always you have to find the product, that is a into c, and the sum should be b. So let us take here an example ax square, 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. So see, product should be a equal to 2, b equal to 1, and c equal to minus 6. So I can say product should be 2 into minus 6. That is, there are steps to find it. Let us understand that. First step is multiply a and c. So a and c is 2 into minus 6. So here 2 and minus 6. So that will be minus 12. Now, second part is I have to take out the factors of 12 such that their sum is b. So, find factors of these such that the sum is b. So, here if I see carefully, minus 12 factors will be 4 and 3. So if I take 4 as plus 4 and 3 as minus 3, so I will get plus 1. So I am taking that now and I am solving it. Now using this values 2x square plus 4x. See, first term as it is we have to keep. Now plus 4 is there, so I am putting plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Now third step is taking common out common. First two terms I am taking 2x common. So x plus 2. Now from second 2 also I will take minus 2 minus 3, so x plus 2. 2 equal to 0. Now, if you see x plus 2 and x plus 2 are same in both the equations. So I can say x plus 2 and 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now, here we have got two possibilities, either x plus 2 equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So, if x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. And if 2x minus 3 equal to 0, so 2x equal to 3, so x equal to 3 by 2. These are the two solutions of the quadratic equation. Fourth step which I have used is take the bracket common. So I got my solution. Now let us solve one more sum, that is 2x square minus x plus 1 upon 8 equal to 0. Now it is not possible that always I will get the numerator as a full number. Sometimes I may get a rational number also, like 2 into 1 by 8 will be 1 upon 4. So in such case, it is easy to multiply both the sides by 8. So now it will become 16x square minus 8x plus 1. 8 upon 8 will be 1, so 1 equal to 0. So now I have to solve the equation, that is AC I have to see. So A is 16, C is 1. So 1 into 16 is 16 and factor should be minus 8. So I can say 4, 4. So if I take both minus 4, so I can say the factors are minus 8. So 16x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now from first two I am taking 4x, so 4x minus 1. From second two I am taking minus 1 common, so 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Now I am taking 4x minus 1 common, so 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So I can say 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So both the answers will be same, so I can say x equal to 1 by 4, x equal to 1 by 4 are the two factors. So both answers are same. Now one more topic there, it is solution or solving quadratic equations by quadratic form or by quadratic formula. So here I am not going to split the middle term. I am given ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We have to remember discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Now root of b square minus 4ac is. So b square minus 4ac, how I will find? It is, if it is greater than or equal to 0, then two real roots. If it is greater than or equal to 0, then I will use quadratic formula, that is x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now let us see one example, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So a equal to 2, b equal to minus 7, c equal to 3. So b square minus 4ac will be equal to minus 7 whole square, that is minus 4 into 2 into 3. So 7 sevens are 49 minus 24. So that is 25. So it is greater than or equal to 0. So I will have the formula x equal to factors, I will have equal to minus b, that is minus of minus 7 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, already we have found, that is 25. So I am putting directly 25 upon 2 into 2. So minus minus plus. So 7 plus or minus 5 upon 4. So I have two solutions now. One will be 7 plus 5 upon 4 and other will be 7 minus 5 upon 4. So that will be 12 by 4. Oh, so that will be 3 and 7 minus 5 will be 2. So 2 upon 4, that will be 1 by 2. So I got two solutions, 3 and 1 by 2. So these two are answers. But this is used when it is said solve by quadratic formula. Now one more sum I am taking of the same method, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. A is 4, B is 4 root 3 and C is 3. So B square minus 4AC will be equal to 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 4 into 3. That will be 16 into 3 minus 16 into 3. So that is coming as 0. So it is satisfying the equation b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. So if we use the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, so I will get that will be minus b upon 2a. 4 root 3 upon 2 into 4. The reason is because b square minus 4ac is 0. So plus or minus root will be of no use. 0. 0. 4 minus 4 root 3 upon 2 into 4. So 4 cancel. So my answer is minus 3 by 2. Now next topic is nature of roots. If for a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 if b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, two real distinct roots. So here I will have two different values of the roots. Now second, if b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So I will have two equal real roots. I will have real roots, but both will be equal. Then third, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then I won't have any real root, or I don't have any real root. No, or I can say no real root. But in the future classes, you will have imaginary roots. Real roots won't be there, but imaginary roots will come. Now let us do example for this. Now let us take an example 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0. So the question is check whether the roots will be real or no real roots. So find nature of roots, or in short he will give us like this. So b square minus 4ac will be minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 got cancelled. So 2 square will be 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So we were having two equal real roots we will have if it is 0. So two equal real roots. Both the roots will be equal. Then 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So if I check b square minus 4ac, it will be equal to minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So that will be 49 minus 24. So 25. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So two distinct real roots I will have. Now let us see one more example where we will have no real roots. So let us see that also and understand. So for that, the equation given to me is 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac will be equal to minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So that will be 16 minus 24, that is minus 8, which is less than 0. So I will directly say no real roots. No real roots as b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So this all are the theoretical part of the chapter which we have to study in this chapter.